Can you spell A? Can you sing your alphabet song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Mommy.
What comes after X?
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next, will you sing with me?
Good job, Buglug.
It's sheep start with C.
No, shape starts with S.
No, it doesn't. Look.
What?
It doesn't start with S.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. Look. There's no S's.
Sheep starts with S.
No, it doesn't. Look.
Yes, it does.
Where is it?
See the S at the first of it? S-H-E-E-P.
And horse start with E.
H.
H.
H-O-R-S-E. Horse.
And pig start with C.
No, what does P?
P.